Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung S Pen Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to change the tip for this S Pen. So let's start. So guys, there are 3 extra tips included with S Pen Pro. So we are going to use one of this tip. Okay, it also include this replacement tool. So first of all, we will use this tool. So here we have this S Pen Pro, and we have to adjust this replacement tool to the base of this tip. So we have to adjust it till here. So I will show you. So you have to adjust it like this, and then you have to squeeze it. Okay, so I will adjust it like this, and then I will squeeze it. So this is how you can grab the tip. Now in the next step, you have to pull it out. So I will just pull it out. Okay, so I will just pull it out, and here you can see it will come out easily. Okay, so this is our old tip. Okay, so now I will insert the new tip. So for the new tip, you can use your hands. So here inside the S Pen Pro, you can see we have this small hole. So you have to adjust this tip inside this hole. Okay, so I will adjust it like this. So I will show you. So I will adjust it inside the hole. Okay, so here you can see it will go easily. Now you have to use your hands and then push it inside. So I will push it inside with my hand. Okay, so here you can see now you have to push it one time more, because here you can see it is still not properly adjusted and there is still gap. Okay, so you can see this gap, so you have to insert it one more time using your hand. Okay, so I will just push it like this. Okay, so once you push it for the last time, you will hear a sound of click, or you can also feel the tip is adjusted. Okay, so now it is properly adjusted, and now I will use it on my tablet to test it. So I will use my tablet, and then I will try to write on my tablet. So here you can see the tip is working perfectly fine. Okay, and now for example, if I want to use the eraser, I will press this S Pen Pro button, and then I will test the tip. So here you can see it is also working perfectly fine as eraser. Okay, and now I will try to use this highlighter. So here you can see the highlighter is also working perfectly fine. I will use the different style highlighter. So here you can see now I will use S Pen to text feature. Okay, so I will select it, and then I try to write something over here with my new tip. So here you can see it is also working perfectly fine. It converts my handwriting into the text. I will also try to change the thickness for the pen tool. So from here I will increase the thickness, and then I will try to write with my new tip. So here you can see it is also working perfectly fine. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.